I want to show you how to make your phone battery to last longer. Now, if you are always having this issue of your phone battery not always lasting, maybe you charge your phone to 100%, you charge it to 80%, and before you know it, in less than 1 hour, in less than 2 hours, sometimes in 30 minutes, your battery is already low. So I'm going to show you what to do in order to stop that. So before we continue with this video, make sure you have subscribed to this channel and like this video. Give this video a like so that YouTube can suggest this video to other people that will need this video. Now, the first thing we are going to do is, if you are always charging your phone, using your phone while charging it, you need to stop that very dirty habit. That is a very dirty habit and you have to stop it. Using your phone while charging kills your battery very fast. Another thing you need to do is, let me show you what to do now. Go to your WhatsApp. This is your WhatsApp. Long press on your WhatsApp. Then you tap on app info. In some phones it will show you, it will show as app details. You tap on it. These are tips that will reduce your battery consumption. Now what you are going to do is come to these notifications and you turn it off. For example, let me turn my own on now. So what you are going to do is come to your notifications, because I know your own will be on. So you turn it off. You can see it. Android is blocking these apps notifications from appearing on your device. So whenever someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, WhatsApp will send you a notification, and it is that notification that is eating your battery, because it is always waking your screen up. Whenever those notifications enter, it is waking your screen up and it is eating your battery. Sometimes you can be charging your phone and you receive a message from WhatsApp, it will wake your screen up. That is what you are going to do for your other apps that require notifications. For example, your Facebook too. You are going to do the same thing, repeat the same thing on your Facebook, WhatsApp and Facebook. Make sure you do it for your WhatsApp and your Facebook. You can see mine is off already. Mine is off already. Another thing you are going to do is, you come to your settings, scroll down to your phone settings. Let me locate my phone settings. Then you scroll down to battery. You can see my battery now. You can see that my phone battery now is 78%, about 14 hours left. So what you are going to do is, you tap on enable power boost. I turn off my own power boost just for the sake of this video. Let me show you how to turn it on and off. So you come here and tap on enable power boost. So you can see what it's right on top of the screen. 2.4 hours battery life will be extended. So this means that this power boost will extend your battery life by 2.4 hours. So you can see that this is a very nice development on your Android phone. This is a very nice development. This is a very nice update. So what you are going to do is, you can see it will enable dark theme, it will disable vibrator, it will disable eye smart, and optimize your volume. So what you are going to do is just tap on activate. Just tap on activate and you can see my battery life will be extended. The battery life of your phone will be extended. So these are the things that you need to do for your phone battery to last longer. So if you find value in this video, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment whether I worked out for you, and also share this video to your family members, to your friends, and all other people you think may need this video. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.